Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to remove and replace the roller mop on MOVA Z60 Ultra. As you can see, there is the robot. If I flip it over, I'll see the roller mop. Now, in order to remove it, you'll see on the right side there's this button that says push. You should push it in, then you can remove it like that. Now you can take the whole part out, like so. Now I hope it stays there. It doesn't. It wants to roll. Okay, I'll hold it. Now you can basically remove the roller from the attachment. So let's take it. No, you can't. Sorry. This is the whole part basically. So I'll just verify. I have replacement parts, so I'll make sure that they also come. Yeah, they do. The replacement parts also come with the push button that rotates. So yeah, you just that's the whole part. You can clean it. You can replace it. And do whatever you want with it, then push it onto this attachment part. And now to attach it here, make sure it's all the way in here, then align the button. You can push it in, align it, release, and it's there. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.